Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this beautiful property at Gary Way. This incredible property has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, with over 1,900 square feet. So we're gonna give you a video tour right now. So let's go check this out. Welcome to your beautiful office.
Are you hitting up on my Three's Cove banana bread?
Welcome to your master bedroom.
Come on, we have a burning house to go to. What are you doing?
Do not go in there.
Welcome to your incredible backyard. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video tour of Gary Way. Shout out to Three's Coves Coffee Bar, Listing Amigos, Jules and Alfie. Good job, guys. We appreciate you. We'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, email me at victor@freeagentproperties.com. Again, that email address is victor@freeagentproperties.com, where we release new videos each week on home buyer tips, home seller tips, the Phoenix housing market updates, so you can be mindful when you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate. We will talk to you soon.